Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how can you publish your game on a gaming website. Here you can see I have made this simple game using 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 software and I have monetized this game with AirMob. But I have not published this game on any app store. But still Google Ads is running on my game. AirMob has a very low competition. You should not miss this opportunity. You should use AirMob to earn money before getting late. I have uploaded lots of tutorials on my channel about AirMob. If you are a beginner, if you do not know anything about AirMob, then you should watch all these AirMob tutorials to learn everything. Now let me show you how can you publish this game on gaming website. Guys, first of all you will have to make a game icon. You can go on Canva website and search your logo. Now you can search your gaming logo template. Here you can see there are a lot of gaming logo. You can select any of this logo. Now you can type here your game name. You can edit your logo design. After completing this logo design, you can click on share button. Now you can click on download button. In next step, you need a screenshot of your game. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 software and you can click on preview button. Now you can take screenshots of your game. You can also play your game on your mobile device. And then you can take a screenshot of your game. Now the next thing that you need description for your game. You can use ChatGPT to generate description for your game. Now you need to export your game in APK format. You can run APK format game in Android device. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 software. Now you can click on share button. Now you can select mobile option. You can select this first option. Now you can click on create package for Android button. Using this method, you can export your game in APK format. After collecting all of these files, you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 game website. First of all, you will have to create account on this website. You can easily create account just by entering your email address and password. After creating successfully your account, you can click here. Now you can click on upload new project button. Now you can type your title of your game. Now I'm going to upload your cover image. You can click here. You can select your game icon. Now you can click on open button. Scroll down. You can type your short description of your game. Now scroll down. You can select your games option. Guys, if you want to sell your game, then you can select paid option. Now you can type your price of your game. I'm not going to sell my game. Now I'm going to upload here my game. Click on upload files button. You can select your game. This game should be in APK format. Click on open button. Here you can see my game is uploading on this website. My game is for Android users. I'm going to select Android icon. Now scroll down. I'm going to type your long description for my game. Guys, I have generated this description using ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT to generate description for your game. Now scroll down. I'm going to select your category for my game. Scroll down, type your tags. Guys, these tags will work as a keyword. When someone will search this keyword on this website, then my game will show in search result. Now you can type your download and install instructions. You can type this kind of instructions. Now I'm going to upload screenshots of my game. Click on add screenshots button. You can select screenshots of your game. Now you can click on open button. Scroll down. Now you can click on save and view page button. Here you can see my game page is looking great. Now I'm going to publish this page. Click on edit game button. Now scroll down. Select your public option. Anyone can view this page. Now click on save button. Yeah, here we go. I have published my game successfully on this website. You can click on metadata button. Now you can click here. You will have to select how can your game be played. I'm going to select mouse and keywords. Scroll down and touch screen. Scroll down. You can click here. Now you can select language of your game. Click on save changes button. Now click on engines and tools button. You can click here. Now you will have to select game engines. Guys, I have made my game using 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 software. I'm going to select 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌. Now click on save button. Now click on release info button. You can select your license. I do not want that any person reuse my game. I'm going to select all rights reserved. Click here. If you do not want that any person reuse your game, then you can select all rights reserved option. Now you can select a release date. You can type your publisher name. Now click on save changes button. Now you can click on dashboard button. Here you can see I have published 2 games on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 game website. You can click here to view this game. As you can see here, my game is looking great. Any person can click on download button to download this game. That person can play my game on Android device. Guys, Google Ads is showing on my game. I have not published this game on Amazon App Store and Google Play Store, but still Google Ads is showing on my game. I will give you link of this game to download. You can check description of this video. In next video, I will show you how can you publish this game on Amazon App Store. You should not miss that tutorial. Here you can see I have successfully published one game on Amazon App Store. As you can see here, my game is live on Amazon App Store. If you want to learn how to publish game on Amazon App Store, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.